Hey guys, welcome to a new recipe video on Rasoi Saga. Today's recipe is chole puri. This is a quintessential Indian dish being demonstrated by Simran Kukreja, a talented home chef of Bengaluru. Keep the chickpeas soaked overnight for the chole and let us begin the process. In a kadhai, heat some oil, add some jeera, add some diced onions and let it become brown for a minute or two. You'll find the written recipe on my website rasoisaga.com. Now in this kadhai we add all the desi masalas, which is the red chili powder, turmeric, dhania, jeera powder, and cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes till the raw smell goes away. Now to this we add the tomato puree which was made beforehand and let it cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Once everything is cooked, well combined, then we let it heat for 2 to 3 minutes more, add some salt and then add this gravy in the pressure cooker. The chola that you had boiled and kept after being soaked and the diced potatoes will also be added in this pressure cooker and cooked for 2 more whistles till the chola is absolutely soft and ready to be consumed. Mix everything well before you add it to the pressure cooker, the potatoes, the chickpeas, the gravy that you just made, and then let it cook for 2 more whistles in the pressure cooker. Be patient with this process because some delicious chola is coming up right for you along with some hot steaming puris. So once the chola is done, open the pressure cooker, add some garam masala on this, some kasuri methi and some chopped coriander to give it some extra flavor and some garnish. You can also add some lemon juice if you want and want to increase the tanginess of this dish. Your chola is ready and now we'll be starting the process of making some hot fluffy puris to go along with this. For the puris we are taking some maida or all-purpose flour, adding some boiled aloo to this, some water, a little bit of oil or ghee and combining it well to make a soft dough. This dough will be fermented for 30 to 45 minutes before we fry them. You can use extra ghee or extra oil to just add the extra love in your puris. Once that is done, take a kadhai, take oil, let it heat up to the maximum, then add the puris in it. Your hot fluffy puris are ready to be consumed with your soft cholas. Enjoy the dish and I hope you enjoyed watching the video.
Welcome back to another home chef recipe on Rasoi Saga, and it's Tuesday, so it's recipe day, and we have here some wonderful Indian chole puri made by Simran Di here, who has been kind enough to show the entire recipe on the channel. Simran Di, welcome to Rasoi Saga.
Hey Pratibha, hi. So happy to see you home.
Thank you.
Wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
My pleasure.
I hope you love it. Please.
I already do because the plating looks absolutely fantastic and I'm ready to dig into some chole puri.
This is one of our favorite dish which we make it on weekends and we relish it to the whole.
Are lovely. Then I'm very excited to have it.
Yay.
We have chole, puri, achar, chutney, salad. What more do you need, man?
And the Sindhi Papa too.
Are wow. I absolutely love the taste of this. The chole is very tangy and very flavorful, and it has also come out very soft, which is awesome. And the puri is also really nice. It's khasta as they say. So definitely I think you guys should try this recipe.
Isn't spicy now?
It's very balanced in flavor. I absolutely love it. Is there anything else you want to tell the Rasoi Saga viewers?
Guys, like, subscribe and share Rasoi Saga because Rasoi Saga rocks.
Thank you so
Pratibha
much.
rocks. Thank you so much, Pratibha. Thank you so much. Pleasure to have you home.
Thank you so much, guys. Do try the recipe. Let us know in the comments if you do. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Please share. Please don't forget to try my recipe. It's yum.
Lovely. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. हो गई तो बल्ले बल्ले हो जाएगी बल्ले बल्ले